What happens to the energy produced by burning gasoline in a car engine?
D. All of the above.
A piece of metal is heated, then submerged in cool water. Which statement below describes what happens?
D. The temperature of the water will increase and the temperature of the metal will decrease.
How does a calorie compare to a joule?
B. The calorie is larger than a joule.
What would likely happen if you were to touch the flask in which an endothermic reaction were occurring?
A. The flask would probably feel cooler than before the reaction started.
Which of the following is not a form of energy?
B. Pressure.
Which of the following is transferred due to a temperature difference?
D. Heat.
In an exothermic reaction, the energy stored in the chemical bonds of the reactants is
B. Greater than the energy stored in the bonds of the products.
When your body breaks down sugar completely, how much heat is released compared to burning the same amount of sugar in a flame?
C. The body releases the same amount of sugar. Sorry, wrong word.
The heat capacity of an object depends in part on it.
A. Mass.
Which of the following is a valid unit for specific heat?
A. Calorie over G degrees Celsius.
When 45 grams of an alloy at 25 degrees Celsius are dropped into 100 grams of water, the alloy absorbs 756 joules of heat. If the final temperature of the alloy is 37 degrees Celsius, what is the specific heat?
B. 1.77 calories.
Do you need math to figure this out?
No.
Yes, you do. Don't you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write, after we're done with this, I'm going to get and show you how to do this, how to do the math on this, right? Right? Okay, go ahead.
Which of the following has the greatest heat capacity?
A. 1,000 grams of water.
By what quantity must the heat capacity of an object be divided to obtain the specific heat of the material?
A. Its mass.
On what principle does calorimetry depend?
B. Law of conservation of energy.
How can the enthalpy change be determined for a reaction in an aqueous solution?
B.
By mixing reactions in a calorimeter and measuring the temperature change.
Calculate delta H for the following reaction.
A. Negative 137.2 kJ.
Calculate the energy released when 24.8 grams of Na2O reacts in the following reaction.
C.
48 kCal.
The delta H is
C. Sometimes positive, sometimes
negative.
using a table that lists standard heats of formation, you can calculate the change in enthalpy for a given chemical reaction. The change in enthalpy is equal to
A. Delta H0F of products minus delta H0F of
reactants.
calculate delta H for the reaction of sulfur dioxide with oxygen.
B. Negative 197.8 kilojoules.
And do you need math for this one too?
No.
Yes, and we are going to go ahead and do that problem now. There were two others. I guess I was off in the hall as you were doing that. But there are 4 problems total, and we're going to do those right now. So take out a sheet of paper, MLA it, and you get to use this for the test tomorrow, so you make sure you get them right. So.